Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 22. Government interference in the administration of business is a disadvantage of A. Cooperative society, B. Limited liability company, C. Partnership, D. Public corporation, E. Sole proprietorship. So you have various types of businesses or corporations as the options, and we are asked for the one that government interference is a disadvantage of. So let's look at what each of the options are and see the one that has government interference as related to it. So the cooperative society is a voluntary association formed with the aim of meeting members' common economic and social needs. Now you have limited liability company. Now, limited liability company is a private company whose owners are legally responsible for its liabilities only to the extent of capital invested. Now option C, which is partnership, is a formal arrangement by two or more parties to manage a business and share its profits. Option D, which is a public corporation, is a corporation or business owned and operated by a government. And the final option, option E, sole proprietorship, is an enterprise owned and run or operated by one person, such that there is no legal distinction between the owner and the business entity. So from the descriptions we have given, we see that the one that is involved with government or has to do with government involvement is option D, which is public corporation. And in public corporations, due to the fact that, or irrespective of the fact that, the corporation is set up for mainly business or making of profits, you find out that government would often interfere in the operation of the business, and that is usually seen as a disadvantage of that form of business. So the correct answer to this question is D, public corporation. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.